Forex, stocks, futures, Trademiner 5.0 picks of the week.
Hello ForexMilitia, this is Parsival coming to you with the Trademiner 5.0 picks of the week, and we are starting out with Forex with the Euro Aussie, November 20th to December 20th, win rate at 80% win rate. Okay, stocks, we have Cisco Systems Inc. from November 21st to December the 23rd, with a win weight rate of 81%. Probability is very low, but something else that I didn't say, that because I'm putting the probability out so many weeks, it has a low probability for calculating it 2 weeks ahead. And Trademiner futures, the Nasdaq 100 mini, with a 93% win rate and probability very low. Okay, let's go to the charts and see what it looks like on the charts. And what we have here is, I'm going to take some of this stuff off of here. Okay, and let's take that off too. Okay, so basically what we have here is it looks like it's in an uptrend. Wait, I'm going to put the moving average back on here. Oh, look at that. And so this looks like it will definitely be long going into the seasonality. Alright, that's that. And then Cisco is also bullish, and this is right now, this is looking very bearish. We'll see what happens when after the earnings report, and we'll see if it goes long. And then the Nasdaq, which has been very bearish the whole year, looks like it has some divergence, some bullish divergence, and it's going higher. So within this window, short window, we'll see if it actually ends up. So that's it for the picks. Let's get to the review. And I took another hit because I had some positions on that were short, and when the CPI hit, that just took everything out. So we're down to 130,000. That's from the height. We were at 142. So we're down about 12k. All right. Let's see. And which ones did I come out of? Let's see. We came out of the, what was that, the Euro? Close this up. Came out of the Euro for 2,000. Came out of the dollar for 133, and out of the dollar yen for 2,700. For 2,700. And so that should basically do it. So we'll basically see what happens this week. Let me just go over some of the other McDonald's. We're coming up on an entry into McDonald's for a long. The Aussie Kiwi is a short, but it looks like it's going to go long. And this, the yen basically is short, but it looks like it's going to go long. Yeah, that looks right. Nike. And then the euro, actually, right, it didn't. That's the one that closed out. Okay, so that's basically it for the review. And if you like this content, please like, comment, and subscribe. The closest thing to the Holy Grail is following the smart money. And so I will say, knowledge is power. Be power hungry and power to the people. And this is Parsival signing out.